In this video, we are going to show you how to connect your Emergent AI frontend to a custom API. So to do this, we're going to make a mobile app. So it's not full stack, we're going to go mobile app. So this is going to be our prompt, right? So to make AI frontend to a custom API, we actually need to create an app from scratch. Or if you have your own, you could just paste your code here. But for this video, we're going to do that from scratch. So I want you to create a very simple mobile app, choose whatever kind, and have it have the capacity to connect to a custom API. Source this yourself. I'm doing this so that I don't need to get any input. Emergent does everything for me, right? You should be able to do everything yourself with my input. Make this as simple as possible to save time. So after that, again, make sure whatever you're doing, it's aligned with the type of thing that you're doing. For us, it's a mobile app, so we just click on send. There we go. All right, it says here, I'll create a simple random joke generator mobile app that connects to a free public API. This will be straightforward and won't require any API keys from you. Let me start by examining the current project structure and then build the app. So there you go. All right, as you can see, it says here, now let me create a simple random joke app. There we go. Here is my plan. So these are the steps that he wants to do. Front end, back end, create a back end endpoint to fetch jokes and manage favorites, so on and so forth. Now let me restart the back end service to load the new code and then test it. Okay, back end is working great. Let me test the favorites endpoints as well. There we go. There you go. We have a screenshot of the mobile app, as you can see on both here on the left hand side and here on the app preview. It looks actually pretty good, pretty sleek. It's very simple. All right, the app is working briefly. Let me now take a screenshot of the favorites view as well. App is working great. Now let me create the test credentials file and read the test result MD file to prepare for testing. Now, this is going to be the, again, we always say this in these videos about Emergent. The testing phase is the longest, which makes sense because we want our project, our app to be working properly, right? Okay, now we are done. It says here, all services are running. Now let me create a comprehensive summary. So this is a summary, features implemented. So API integration, backend testing results. We can try it now. Next action items that we can do. So we can add more features, enhance the UI styling, test everything. And after this, we can now publish this app to our stores. It is connected to the front end is connected to a custom API that we have crafted using Emergent. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.